Hey guys, this is Lunch Recipes episode 1. Let's make Kuzhambu. If you love eating foods that are covered in gravy like curries, then look no further than the Kuzhambu recipe. It is a tamarind based gravy that can be either thick or thin. Especially this curry is not about only taste, and it also has some health benefits like it can boost respiratory health, improve vision, improve the digestion, and even heal certain skin conditions. This is definitely a treat for people who like